Hello, my name is Joe Okoro. I'm a digital marketing coach. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I made 21 million in 12 months selling only 2 small online courses. Now, before I tell you about the online courses, let's talk a little bit about ChatGPT because I mentioned it in the headline or title of this very video. You see, I've been using ChatGPT to create content that promotes my course. However, ChatGPT, in case you don't know, is actually an artificial intelligence software that helps you accomplish a lot of things. While I do not advise that you use it to create your online courses, you can use it to create content to promote your online courses. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to promote my online courses, create content and promote it on social media. And if you're able to do this, you'll be able to do loads of selling your online courses. So let's talk about how I made 21 million naira in 12 months selling 2 small online courses. Now, the first course is called Affiliate Marketing on Expertnaire. This course has already generated 8 figures. At the picture at your right hand side is the sales page of this course. Yes, it's actually a small video course. Now, if you look below, you are going to see below this page, what you see there, this total number you see there is total number of courses sold in 12 months. Okay. Now, where you see AMX Expander is actually the name of the campaign, the name of the list. Okay. So now this course is one course that I have sold loads of it from the figure you have seen. Okay. Now the revenue source, the first revenue source or the first platform or channel that brought in this sale is from an affiliate platform called Xpartner, and that platform got 402 copies at the time of recording this video. Okay. Now these 402 copies were sold by tens of affiliates from that platform. Okay. The second revenue source is my own effort, my own promotional effort. So my own promotional effort got 980 copies. Of course, I did this using social media, as I said earlier, promoting my course on my email list. So I sold a total of 980 copies. So if you add 980 copies plus 402 copies sold by affiliate, the total copies sold of this course is 1,382 copies. Now the total revenue from this single online course is multiplied by the course, the price of this course, okay, which is 1,382 times 12,000 naira. As you can see, the price of the course is 12,000, and that will give us 16,584,000. Now, after affiliate deductions of 50%, my take-home income was 13,689,000 naira, which is also an 8-figure income. Okay, so this is the first course that gave me is part of the first that gave me that 21 million. Of the 21 million naira that was made, this course generated about 13.6 million. Now let's look at the second course. The second course is called WhatsApp Instant Marketing. This course generated 7 figures already, and of course from the right hand side, this is the sales copy of the video sales letter. Okay, this is the video sales letter, and if you look down, this WIM you see here is WIM. It means WhatsApp Instant marketing, and the total sales stands at 641. Okay, this is actually my Aweber account. These numbers you are seeing here is what we call an email autoresponder. Okay, email autoresponder is used to take count of the number of leads that is coming into your funnel. If you are a digital marketer, you understand. Now, how did I get 641 copies of this course? How did I sell it? Well, the first revenue source is from the same platform, Expertnaire. On that platform, affiliate were able to do about 201 copies, and from my own promotional effort, I did about 440 copies using social media to promote my course. Okay, so when you add 440 plus 201, we arrive at a total of 641 copies sold, which is what you see below here. Okay, now the total revenue, when you multiply by the price of this course, which is obviously 15,000, if you multiply 15,000 by 641, you are going to arrive at 9.615 million naira. By the time you deduct 50% of affiliate commission for these 201 copies, the total take-home income goes down to 7.806 million naira, which is still a six-figure income. Now, you might be wondering why I call these two courses small courses. Well, the reason is because the prices for these courses are low. This is 15,000. The other one is 12,000 naira. So they're actually small courses that didn't take a lot of time to create. So if you are to add these two course sales, that is the affiliate marketing on Expertnaire and the WhatsApp instant marketing, you will see that those two figures amounts to over 21 million naira in take-home profits. So this shows that anyone can replicate what I have just done here. You can do the same thing. You can place your course online on affiliate network and get the same result. You can promote your course online and get a similar result if you know how this is done. Okay, now this is the exact amount that these two courses generated: 21,495,000 naira. Now let's look at the affiliate platform that this course is listed on. This affiliate platform is called Expertnaire. Now take note that there are a lot of affiliate platform today. We have affiliate platform like StakeCut, we have Seller, we have Oja Digital Marketplace, we have Affimats, we have a lot of them out there. But Expertnaire is currently one of the leading affiliate platforms, and this is where I listed my courses. But the courses that I explain here are just two of my several courses on some of these affiliate platforms. Now on Expertnaire, you will see hundreds of online creators who place their courses on sale. Of course, that is why the platform is created. It is a network that connects the vendor and the affiliate, so that the affiliate will make a sale to the public and the vendor gets paid. The affiliate also gets paid by doing the same. The affiliate receives a commission from every sale of the course that he or she decides to promote. So on this platform, you find thousands of affiliates. Currently, Expertnaire has over 77,000 affiliates on the Expertnaire platforms. So the Expertnaire affiliate help you to sell this product. You make money, they make money. It is a win-win for both parties. Now let's look at some of my courses on this affiliate platform. I'm going to log into my account and show you some of my courses. Now if you look closely, you see that if you look up there, you see this is my name, Joe Okoro. So these are my courses. Okay, These are my courses, sales for my course. You can see it says vendor orders. So this will show you that this is my courses. So all the courses sold here actually belongs to me. Okay, so you can see I have course launch in 14 days, which sells for 35,000. I have affiliate marketing with Expertner, and I have another one, WhatsApp Insta Marketing, as I showed you. Now let's scroll down. You see that I still have other courses. You see, I have another one, Blog Cash University. So if you look here, there are 4 courses: WhatsApp Insta Marketing, Blog Cash University, Affiliate Marketing with Expertner, course launch in 14 days. I still have other 2 on this platform that their sales did not reflect on this very page. You see that WhatsApp Instant Marketing sells for 15,000, and that the affiliate gets 7.5 as commission. Blog Cash University sells for 30,000. The affiliate get 12,000. That's 40%. Affiliate marketing with Expertner sells for 12,000, and affiliate gets 6,000. While course launch in 14 days sells for 35,000, affiliate get 17.5. And if you look down here, you see that there are several pages up to 42 pages of sales on this very affiliate platform. So this shows that I have I have many courses on this platform, and I know how to create, launch, and market online courses. Okay, and this can be your story as well. Okay, now I have prepared a 6 days free video training that shows you what you need to do from beginning to the launching of your own online course. So if you're interested to learn how to launch your own online course, you can enroll in the free 6 days video training that I have prepared for you. At the right hand side here, you see this is the page that you're going to see below this video to enroll for this course if you're interested to learn exactly how to create and launch your online course, and of course place it on an online platform and be making millions of naira the way I have just done. Use the link below this video in the video description and subscribe for this 6 days free video training, and I will see you at the other side. If you enjoyed this video training, please leave us a comment so that I'll get back to you, and if possible, leave comments on other areas you would want me to create video training on. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Goodbye.